taking down the CloudCuddle Junior. Start by opening the snap button fastener at the top of the cover, then open the tube clamps. Unscrew the knurled knot to open the valve and deflate the CloudCuddle Junior. You may hear a hissing sound, followed by a pop. This is normal. Then loosen the tensioning straps around the mattress. Release the tensioning straps from the bed frame by releasing the buckles. Pop the corners off the mattress and place all the materials such as the tensioning straps, buckles and tubes into the mattress cover. Work from the outside in. Roll up the CloudCuddle Junior. While rolling up the CloudCuddle Junior, push as much air as possible out of the tubes towards the valve and make sure it stays open. Place the pump in the cover provided. Store the CloudCuddle Junior and the pump in the bag. Warning: read and understand the manual before use. This video serves as a complement to the manual, but does not replace it. CloudCuddle. Comfort, safety, security, always and everywhere.